Shandong Aolan Drone Science and Technology Company Limited is a professional supplier specializing in sales, development, and service of agriculture drones. We concentrate on providing solutions to the UAV application, plant protection services, technical maintenance support, and operation training. Until now, more than 5,000 units Aolan drones have been sold to domestic and overseas markets and won high praise. Besides, we perfectly completed many plant protection projects, cooperating with local governments, providing service for more than 300,000 acre fields, and have accumulated rich field spraying experience. Our drones have passed CE, FCC, and RoHS testing and obtained 14 patents. Now we have 4-axis, 6-axis sprayer drones with different capacities of 10-liter, 22-liter, 30-liter to satisfy various customers' demands. Aolan drones are mainly used for liquid pesticide spraying, seeds and solid fertilizers spreading. They have the functions of automatic flight, AB point flight, obstacle avoidance and terrain following flying, real-time view transmission, cloud storage. One drone with extra batteries and charger can work continuously throughout the day and cover 60 to 180 hectares fields. We have a professional research and development technical team, complete and scientific QC production system, and an excellent after-sales service system. We support OEM and ODM projects. We also are recruiting agents all over the world. Looking forward to our further and deep cooperation.